Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can connect your Trello account with your account on Slack. For example, if you'd like to speed up work processes between your team members or your team in general using both of these apps, Trello and Slack as well. It is super simple, guys, and you can integrate, for example, your Slack to your Trello account following my steps. So this is how it works, guys. Head over to Slack, and what you want to do here inside your Slack account is select Add Apps here below your Slack bot or any other apps you have already installed inside your workspace. So click on Add Apps here. And what you want to do, guys, is look for Trello below. For example, as you can see, it is already suggested or recommended here. If you can't find it, simply type in here in the search bar Trello. So let me do that really quickly. And you will see it suggested below amongst these available apps. So what you want to do is simply click on install here. That is going to redirect you to this window here. Wait for the site to load or to finish loading. That may or may not take a while. And after a moment, simply confirm by clicking on Add to Slack here and follow the following steps. You may, for example, give Trello and also Slack the permission to exchange information between each other. If you want to do this, guys, make sure that you read through these permissions here. And if you're 100% sure to give these permissions, simply click on Allow here. And after that, you will be redirected to the following page where you will get asked to authorize Trello to exchange information with Slack again. So you can read through these permissions again here and simply click on Allow here once you're ready. And after that, you will be automatically redirected to your account on Trello. As you can see, Trello has been successfully authenticated to link your account here with your account on Slack. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see inside my Slack account, the Trello application has been added, and both of my accounts on Trello as well as on Slack have been connected. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.